How to update Terraria, fixing multiplayer bugs.
Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to walk through the steps to update your Terraria game to the latest version, especially if you're facing issues with multiplayer. Ensuring that your game is up to date can help in resolving many in-game bugs. It's important to remember that regular updates not only bring new content but also patches and bug fixes.
Why should you update?
Updating any game, including Terraria, ensures you have the 1. Latest features and content 2. Necessary bug fixes and optimizations 3. Best possible gaming experience. In particular, multiplayer bugs can hinder gameplay with friends, so keeping your game updated is crucial.
Checking your current version.
Before updating, you should check your current game version. 1. Launch Terraria. 2. On the main menu, the version number can typically be found at the bottom or in a corner. 3. Note this number. You'll compare it with the latest available version.
Steps to update Terraria.
Follow these steps depending on your platform. For Steam users, 1. Open the Steam client. 2. Navigate to your library. 3. Find Terraria in your games list. 4. If an update is available, Steam should automatically update your game. If not, right-click on Terraria, select Properties, navigate to the Updates tab, and ensure that Always Keep This Game Updated is selected. For console users, 1. Navigate to your game library or dashboard. 2. Highlight Terraria and select Options or the equivalent on your console. 3. Look for an option labeled Check for Updates or similar. 4. If an update is available, follow the on-screen prompts to download and install it. For mobile users, 1. Go to your device's App Store, e.g., App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. 2. Search for Terraria. 3. If an update is available, you should see an Update button. Tap on it to begin the update process. That wraps up our tutorial on updating Terraria to the latest version to fix multiplayer bugs. Remember, staying updated ensures a smooth gameplay experience. We hope this video was helpful, and happy gaming!